When we say community or artist, what do we mean? Who does that include? In this course, we address these questions and explore the idea of performance making as a community-based and community-engaged artistic process. Students gain an understanding of the field by studying texts and videos, but they also learn how to evaluate their own position within their various communities, using physical movement and performance. Bringing people together from different walks of life into a creative process allows us to connect, collaborate, and co-create in new and necessary ways. That's why the arts are essential in how we practice community engagement and civic engagement here at Colby. It's important to recognize how we can share space together, be in conversation together, and work alongside one another. Art making offers a powerful way to do that.